Hello and good morning from here, my new home. It's a double bedroom caravan in a small English town surrounded by fields and lush green trees. It's milk day today. Our milkman just delivered fresh organic milk from a local farm right to our doorstep in a glass bottle. It feels so nostalgic, just like my childhood. In another vlog, I'll share why I've switched to this method and why I no longer buy milk from the supermarket. Stay tuned. I kickstart my day with a vibrant, nutrient-rich green smoothie to give my immune system a powerful boost. Eating healthy in colder climates is the key to staying strong and fighting off the illness. I've already noticed a significant difference. I barely feel the cold anymore, even on the chilliest days. Let's see what's cooking in the kitchen today. I made this delicious garlic soup last night and even recorded the process to share with you soon. This kidney bean stew is perfect for these chilly winter days. I'm about to roast some walnuts for my salads. Roasted nuts are so much tastier. These healthy walnut cookies were a recent success. No sugar or flour, yet incredibly delicious. And I made this blueberry galette last night, which I'm looking forward to enjoying it for breakfast. Oh, I almost forgot to introduce you to my little assistant. This is my love. I wanted to share this picture I recently bought. I can't quite explain it, but it just radiates such positive energy. It's full of kindness and harmony. I always cook legumes in large batches and freeze them in portions. This way they are ready to go whenever I need them for a recipe. It's much better than relying on canned versions. And here are my lightly roasted walnuts. I store them in an airtight jar so they stay fresh and ready to use whenever I need them. Life is full of ups and downs, good and bad days, successes and failures, joys and sorrows. All are part of this beautiful journey. And these vibrant fruits will come together to make a delicious salad later. You may sometimes feel like everything is lost and lose your motivation, but don't forget that life goes on. I've experienced many losses in my life, and while they were painful, they've taught me valuable lessons. I've learned to let go of attachments and to find strength in independence. Look at this beautiful icy morning. I'm truly grateful for this moment. I can savor this breathtaking scene, breathe in the crisp air, and let the cold wind invigorate me. This is a true blessing. I recently have been experimenting with growing my own food. I soaked some chia and watercress seeds, and now I am enjoying these sprouts in my salads. As you know, I'm always trying to be as self-sufficient as possible. I'll share more details about my morning routine and how I grow these in my limited space in the future videos. These are some of my sprouted legumes ready to be enjoyed. I love adding them raw to salads and sandwiches. The watercress and chia seeds are already sprouting. They should be ready in a few days. I'm constantly learning, and I've realized that online research alone isn't enough. I've started delving deeper into books, and I've discovered that some of the most fascinating and rare information is hidden within the pages of ancient and historical texts. I approach each day as fresh beginning, leaving the past behind. I believe in the power of the present moment. By focusing on and radiating my highest vibration now, I'm sending positive energy out into the universe, and I trust that the universe will eventually respond to these positive intentions.